Hello students. Today I am going to start science new chapter number 12, force, work and energy. So first let's understand what is force. Students, when you want to close or open a door, you push it or pull it. Can the door open on its own? No, it cannot. You push it or pull it. So, this push or pull is known as force. This push, this pull or push is called force. You apply force to move things. Force changes the way things move. It makes an object move slower or faster, or it can change the direction and speed of an object or its shape. When you apply force on a ball or you kick it, it speed and also change the direction. Whenever you pick a pen or open a book or close it or walk along a street, you exert force. And force is exerted on you when the wind blows on your face or the or you apply the brakes to stop the car or stop the bicycle, or a book falls on your foot. You can feel the efforts of force acting on you. So look at these people using force to do things. Some more example in our day-to-day life when we apply force to do our work. To move a light object like a pencil, you will have to use less force. But to move a heavy object like a table, you will have to apply more force. Force can also occur naturally in a number of forms. Some type of force can be harmful, and while some others can be useful. So now question arises, how can a force harmful? See, the force of wind can uproot trees or also it can damage building, but it can also used to move sailing boats, fly kites or run a windmill. The force of waves can sink a boat or sink boats and causes floods. But this force of water can also be used to turn a water wheel. So force can cause harm while some other can be useful. Now work. For some people, work means making food, doing schoolwork, cleaning home, going office, washing clothes. But in science, work has its different meaning. Like when you push or pull something, when the things you push or pull move, work is said to be done. If you apply a lot of force to move a table and you are not able to move it, no work is done. Like if you want to push the wall and you apply lot of force to move it, it cannot be moved. So no work is done. But if you apply force to move a box and box move from its place, so we can say that the work is done. So this is the difference. See what these people are doing. Has any work has done? Has any work been done? Yes. In the both case, we can say the work is done. Now next, energy. Everyone and try to understand this. When you push or pull something that moves, you are doing work. And when you do work, you want energy, you use energy. So, energy is the capacity to do the work. Without energy, it is quite difficult to do a work. So, we want energy. You use energy when you push or open a door. When you run, you use a lot of energy. Birds also need energy to flap their wings. So, where does this energy comes from? As you already know that we get energy from the food we eat. So, this energy comes from food. A car needs energy to move. A jet plane needs energy to push it through the air. A train needs energy to pull its carriage along the track. So, where do they get energy from? They get energy from fuel. Fuel means diesel, petrol, coal. These are fuel. And there are many other sources of energy that you use in your day-to-day life. You will learn this concept more clearly in the higher classes, like types of energy, law of conservation of energy. This you will learn in the higher classes. So, the main source of energy on the earth is the sun. We get energy from the food and vehicles get energy from fuel. Okay? Understand this topic and keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye.